Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. And now all we have to do is to tap on this X button right in the middle, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.